But first, I'm going to tell you about my adventure, how I had to get up here. First, I went to go play with Clover while Austin was getting ready. And then I went up to the garden, and I was trying to figure out how to get in there. I was like, maybe I can somehow move this. They're like, no, it's attached, so I can't do that. And then I was like, maybe I should go over here and try and push it down. No, that won't help. Maybe if I climb on top of it and get over there, no, I would probably fall. Ooh, I can climb over it. That would be pretty good, so I climbed over it. That was bad. And then it was really good. I saw a marble, but I found a, what are they called? Yellow jacket. And I ran away from it. It didn't follow me. Just because I had a piece of corn in my hand. And I guess they wanted it, so now I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing. We are planting these apple trees. Now let me turn it. Magically turn it. Here is the apple trees. As you can see, we had to bring them in through the tractor. So both of them are yellow apples. They're close to green, and my favorite ones are the green ones. But like I said, if you saw that other video where we planted the newest one and we talked about our other ones, then you probably heard me say that I had my green apple tree in there, but it died. So that's why I had that one. But now at least we have yellow. Now we'll have two yellows. We're trying to get a apple farm kind of thing. And then, so this one is yellow and this one is yellow. As you can see, they're both the same.
Austin got
me these. Yeah, and we have sections. One is for green apples, one's for red, and one is for yellow. But I have one area that's for black apples. They have something called those, but I don't know what color they are. They might just be black. I don't know. But if you didn't see that one video that I was talking about, right there is the green apple. Will you turn it, Austin? To show them. And then right there is my yellow one. Right here, the tallest one that you see is my red one.
We're getting there. Well, let's get to planting these.
The oldest one is my green one. It was the first ever apple tree. And I normally just like to pick apples off of Austin's apple tree, but there's a lot of them on that one, and those apples are really good, which are green apples, or the red ones, or the yellow ones, because yellow ones are a little bit mixed, but I think they're mostly green.
Well guys, this is what I got dug so far. We're getting pretty close to where I can put the apple tree in the ground. I'm going to level that out a little bit. And we're going to plant it, cover it back up with some dirt, and move on to the next one. Only took me about 2.5 to 3 minutes to do this, so not too bad. Alright guys, I think I got it dug deep enough. Let's get to planting. Alright guys, got this one planted. Now I'm going to dig the other hole about right there. Get the second one planted so they can start growing. Because they're getting a little weak in these little pots that they come in, so let's get to digging.
I call this one the Great Red Apple. Or is it the Great Big Red Apple? Yeah, the Great Big Red Apple. And this one I've had the shortest amount of time. I haven't had this one for that long. It was the last one we planted. These over here where we planted is the ones that we are planting now. So, the Great Big Red Apple. This one is like my favorite one, but my green one's actually my favorite one, but this time the red one's my favorite one. So now we'll move on to lemon yellow tree. This one is my second favorite. This one we haven't had for that long, but a pretty long time. So that's really all about the lemon, the yellow lemon. And this one is dead, but this was my green one. So let's move on.
Whoa.
Oh,
you know how to use that thing?
yeah, I do.
Now flatten it out, you know, like stamp it down. Like flatten, boom, boom, yeah, just like that. Don't kill the tree though. Man, you're dangerous with that thing. Be careful. There you go. I think it's pretty good. Then we'll come back out here maybe this weekend and do a little thing around it, you know? Make it look nice around all the trees. We gotta clean those couple up down there, so. Here's the first tree that we planted. And here's the second one. So now we've got, what, Gray? Total of 4 apple trees.
1, 2,
minus
3,
the one that's dead, so yeah, we're down to 4. But hey,
we used to have 5.
maybe one year we'll get a lot of apples out of them. We'll just keep planting them. We might just keep planting them all the way down through there.
Pasture thing.
This whole hill might be apple trees maybe one day. Who knows?
That's what I want.
All this land over here be apple trees. That would be awesome.
Then we can sell apples and apple trees.
We could probably do it.
We could gather all the buckets.
Let's go talk to Mama about that one probably. But I bet she'd be okay with it. Well, let's get it back on the tractor and ride down there. We gotta go feed the chickens.
If I could, I would be out there, but I'm in the house. If Mommy, you step back, you can see I'm in the house.
Yep. Well, all the chickens, Clover loves the chicken layer pellets. Don't you, Clover? All the chickens are fed now. Here comes Gray to finish up the night. Clover's looking dirty out here.
You show them your new water bottle?
Oh yeah, I didn't show you my new water bottle. This is my new water bottle.
What's on there?
My name and glitter.
That's a fancy one.
Yeah, you just do that.
Where'd you get that? Who did that?
You.
Me.
Mhm.
See, Mom is creative.
You?
Yep. The Mommy Makes Everything. That'll be your new name. Mommy Makes Everything. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more chicken fun. Well, it's not really chicken fun anymore. Actually, it's more about Clover.
Everything fun, huh?
Yeah,
Chickens,
Clover fun.
dogs, maybe some new animals one day.
Yep.
Here comes Clover.
Yes. The most cutest doggy in the world. Look at her.